Hi, I'm Dominique Vernier. I will show in this video a scenario where I use JazzHub-ZendPHP to build a mobile application. So we have first JazzHub to manage your application lifecycle, and we will use BlueMix to deploy a ZendPHP server. This ZendPHP server will retrieve information from Twitter and Facebook and will be managed from the Zend Studio desktop. From an ADT desktop for Android, we will manage the mobile application and interact also with the JazzHub project. So first, the JazzHub component. JazzHub is a software as a service you can use to manage your application. So you can log in into the JazzHub platform and create a new project. This project can be private or public. You can add some Scrum functionality and also, under certain conditions, deploy directly from JazzHub to BlueMix your application. So you can track and plan your application from the JazzHub platform. Now the BlueMix component with the BlueMix portal and our ZendPHP server. So from the ZendPHP server, where I create some backend service to retrieve Twitter and Facebook information, I will deploy on BlueMix the ZendPHP server. I enter some information and start the deployment. I push the ZendPHP server on BlueMix. I can monitor it from the BlueMix dashboard. So we can see here that the Zend server is under construction. Let's wait a bit. We can see now that the Zend server is already started. I can open it and I get the Zend server console. I can log in on this console and see I have a full Zend server environment. Now let's look at the backend service which retrieve information from Twitter and BlueMix. So I will deploy the ZendPHP application. I create the export file and I import the file from the console, the ZendPHP console. I upload the ZPK file, enter some information for this service, the endpoint of the service, deploy. And in few seconds my application is deployed. I can check the web service I just deployed on the Zend server. Everything is fine. Now we will manage our mobile application from the ADT for Android platform. So I will launch the application into the simulator, and we can see my application, which shows all tweets that I retrieve using the web service created by ZendPHP. Now I can enter, for example, a defect into JazzHub for this application. So the tester will enter into the JazzHub platform using his credential and he enter a defect. So he enter a summary for this defect, change the color from blue to cyan, specify the owner of this defect, dev developer, and save the defect. Dev developer will receive a notification and he can open straight from his Eclipse platform the defect registered in JazzHub. He can open it, click on Start Working, change his code, So replace the color, redeploy the application in the simulator. We can see now it's in cyan, and he can come back onto the defect, say it has resolved. It was Dominique Vernier. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Bye bye.